Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can hide your online active status on Instagram. So first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account. I already have logged into my account, and go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. And here we could see, tap on the three horizontal lines on the menu icon in the top right corner of your profile page to open the side menu. And from the side menu, tap on the settings and privacy of the screen. And in the setting menu, you have to search messages and story replies, which is just here on how others can interact with you. And tap on it, and here we could see on the bottom that says shows activity status. So we simply have to we have to toggle off the show activity status option just by tapping on the switch next to it, just like this. And when the switch turns gray, your online active status will be hidden from others. And once you have turned off the show activity status option, your online status will not be visible to other users, and you will also not be able to see other online status of other users. It's important to note that when you hide your online active status, you will not be able to see when other users were last active on Instagram, and they will not be able to see when you were last active. Keep in mind that this setting applies to all accounts that you interact with, and it cannot be customized for specific users. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for upcoming uploads.